What are two things you must know before you sign any forms for the insurance adjuster? Hi, I'm John Griffith. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of Tennessee. Do you have to sign the consent forms for the insurance company in order for them to process your case? You'll be surprised to find that the answer is no, you do not. It seems reasonable that you would want to give them access to your records, right? Well, sure, but you can do this yourself. The real reason that they want you to sign these consent forms that they won't tell you is that they want to get their hands on your prior records before this wreck occurred so that they can somehow link it to a prior injury that you had before this wreck that you're now claiming was injured in this wreck. This is one of their biggest tricks, and you don't need to fall for it. Do I have to give them a recorded statement? Again, the answer is no. Now, you do have to give a statement to your own insurance company because you're required to by contract. But as far as the liability carrier for the person that hit you, you do not. Again, they will tell you that it's their policy that they must get this from you in order to process your claim. They'll even go so far as to tell you that we're going to close the claim unless you cooperate with us. Well, you can open a claim as easily as you can close a claim with a click of a button. That is no threat, and don't fall for that. Why do they want to take this recorded statement? Several reasons. Number one, they want to use it in conjunction with the medical authorization that they want to get you to sign, so they can find out who your prior doctors are that you treated with in the past, so they can use that piece of paper that they want you to sign to go and obtain those records. That's one of the reasons they do it. The second reason they do it is because they want to find one thing that you might say, slip up and say, that would lead them to believe that you had a hand in causing this wreck. I used to be a claims adjuster for Progressive Insurance many years ago in a former life. And I specifically remember that the defense lawyers would come in and give us training on how to take recorded statements. We had multiple specific classes on this. They would also give us a handout with outlines of the questions that we needed to ask people who are calling in making claims against our insureds. They are well trained, these adjusters are. They are professionals. They have done this hundreds of times. This is your only case. They want to catch you without guard, without protection, without an attorney around now and get that statement from you. That's the reason they tell you that it's their policies and procedures that they must follow. It's not true, you do not have to do it, and I recommend strongly that you do not. If you know of someone that's been involved in a wreck recently, you need to get this information to them sooner rather than later. Go to our website, click on the free information button below, and obtain the free books of the 10 things you must know if you've been involved in a car wreck. If you have questions about your case, call me. I'm here to help. I can be reached at 615-807-7900 or email me at john@griffithinjurylaw.com.